Hey, what's up guys? I just want to do a quick little review on my Compustar alarm system. Got it on, I believe, Amazon, and it was like 150 bucks. It's not that bad. So right away, I need to turn my camera around somehow. Maybe not. Okay. So we got unlock, lock, alarm, remote start, and trunk release. Well, my trunk release doesn't work because it is operated by a little handheld switch down here. So really, how I unlock the car, you hear it chirp. How I lock my car, it'll chirp once, and I'll set my alarm off. And then shut it off. All you do is hit the unlock button, and it'll chirp twice. Now, I have my sensitivity on level 4, so I'll lock my car again and wait about 45 seconds for the alarm to activate. As you can probably see, it's flashing blue. So I'll just start by tapping the glass a little bit. Okay, it's not activated yet. Just gotta give it a little bit more time. I need to mess with the brain on the Compustar. So it's not, I don't have to wait so long for it to activate. It should work now. So if you get a little tap, it'll chirp 3 times, and what that does, that alerts the burglar or whoever's trying to get in your car that you have an alarm system in here. And I hit it a little bit more. I'm fairly happy with this alarm system because you can hear it at least 800 feet from your car. But yeah, hope you guys like my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and be on the lookout for more videos. Thanks, guys.